Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7 and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app and now make sure that you're on the video mode. Simply tap on the video. Now let's tap on the settings, they should be in the right upper corner, and let's scroll down to the video section. And as you can see, on the very first position we've got video resolution, so let's tap on it, and here we can change either the resolution or frame rate. So now in order to change the resolution, just pick the one you want to use, for example 4K, just tap on it and make sure that it is marked. And actually this is it. From now on your camera will record videos in chosen quality. So that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Realme 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.